Welcome to Techilipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to combine two cell on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. Now from here open any document. Now on the document, if you want to combine these two cell here, just put the cursor here and then type equal, and then you have to type concatenate. Then you have to just select it. Then select your first cell and then type comma and then type quotation, then type space and then type quotation again and then type comma. Then you have to select cell long 2, then type first bracket and then press enter, and that's it. And that way you can combine two cell easily. Now if I type different word, now if you want to combine these two cells, just put the cursor here again and then type equal and then type concatenate. That's it. Then just double click here, then select your cell long 1 and then type comma, then type quotation, then space and then type quotation again and then type comma, then select your cell long 2, then type first bracket, then press enter, and it's done. You can see the two cells has been combined successfully. And that is how you can combine cell on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.